Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are once again going to discuss one more question based on case study Class 10 CBSE as per the new pattern 2021. Friends, this is the part 16 and previously we have uploaded 15 parts and the links of all these 15 parts are provided in the description box as a PDF. You can download that PDF and watch all the 15 videos so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked as case study based questions and how to deal with such questions. So friends, let us see what is today's question. Friends, here is a question. To conduct the annual sports competition soon, the curator of the stadium is tasked with preparing with the grounds for various sports as per the technical requirements of the sports invigilator. The area was allotted to hockey court and javelin range as shown in the figure. The shapes of the hockey court and the javelin range are square and triangle respectively. Both the courts have a common edge that touches the center of the stadium. The construction of the javelin range is such that the angle of the center is 90 degree and the radius of the stadium is 200 meter. Here friends, the hockey court is of the square shape and whose one vertex is at the center, and the javelin range is of the triangular shape, and this center angle is given as of 90 degree and the radius of this circle is given as 200 meter. So the radius is given as 200 meter and this angle is given as 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle and this is of the square shape, and both have a common edge that is at the center. This much is given to you and you have to answer the questions given below. So let us see the first question which is on the screen. The area in square meter allotted to javelin range is 11,400, 20,000, 31,400 or 40,000. Friends, this is the javelin range in the shape of a triangle, and we know that this angle is given as 90 degree and this radius is given as 200 meter. This radius is also 200 meter because both the radii are of the same circle, so both radii will be of the same length. And so since this is a right angle triangle, if we take OB as a base, then AO will be the height, and we can find the area of this javelin range by the formula 1/2 base into height. So area of javelin range, that is equal to 1/2 into base into height, so which is equal to 1/2 into base. If you take this as a base and this as a height, then it will be 200 into 200. So 200 multiplied by 200. So this will be 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 0, and so which is equal to 20,000. And therefore the area of the javelin range is 20,000 square meter, and so the second option is the correct option. Now friends, let us move to the next question. Now the next question is the area in square meter allotted to hockey court. We have to find the area of this hockey court. We know that this hockey court is of the shape of a square, but we do not know the sides, therefore we cannot find the area of this hockey court. So first we will have to find the side of the court. So here we see that this OD will be the radius. OD will be the radius, and radius we know it is given as 200 meter. and since this is a square, this angle E will be of 90 degree. So triangle OED is right angle triangle, and so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here to find the side. Since this is a square, all the sides are equal, so if I take OE as A, then ED will also be A. Both these sides will be of A meters. And so to apply the Pythagoras theorem here, we can say that A square plus A square is equal to square of the hypotenuse, that is 200 square. So here in triangle OED, A square plus A square, that is equal to square of the hypotenuse, that is 200 square. A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square, that is equal to 200 into 200, and therefore 2 ones are 2, 200s are 200, and so A square, that is equal to, this we can write as 100 into 100 can be written as 100 into 2, and so taking square root of both the sides, both the sides, we will get square of 100 into 100 will be 100 into root 2. So the side we are getting 100 into root 2. Now here we have to find the area of this square, that is a hockey court. So that is what area we find by the formula A square. And so friends, here only we have got A square, that is 100 into 100 into 2, and therefore we get that as 20,000. And so the area of the hockey court is also 20,000 square meter, and so the B option is the correct option. So that is area is equal to side square. So we have already got here that area, that is side square, is equal to 100 into 100 into 2. If you take the product, we get it as 20,000 square meter. So the area of the hockey court is 20,000 square meter. Now let us move to the next question. If the team of the curators managing the stadium likes to TO2 to allot space for some more sports, how much area in square meter is available to them? So here friends, the curators decides to allot the space for some more sports, how much area is left in square meter for the other sports. So the area which is left after consuming this much of area for the javelin range and hockey court, the remaining portion that we have to find, that the remaining area. So how will you find the remaining area? The area of the circle minus area of the javelin range minus the area of the hockey court. So area of the circle, that is given by pi r square, minus area of the javelin range, that is we have calculated in the previous questions, that is 20,000, minus the area of the hockey court, that is also we have calculated, that is minus 20,000. And so here pi r square minus 20,000 minus 20,000, r we know, r is what? It is 200. The radius of the circle is given as 200 meter. So r square will be 200 square, and that will be 40,000 pi. So this will be 40,000 pi minus 20,000 minus 20,000, that will be minus 40,000. So take out 40,000 as a common factor, so it will be 40,000. Inside the bracket pi is 3.14 minus here it will be 1. So 40,000 multiplied by 3.14 minus 1, that is 2.14, and if you take the product of this, you get it as 85,600 square meter, and therefore the remaining area that can be allotted for the other sports will be 85,600 square meter. So the C option is the correct option. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is that if the boundaries of the hockey court and the javelin range are to be fenced, then the total length in meter of the fence required. You have to fence this javelin court and the hockey court. So to fence the javelin court and the hockey court, what we will require, we will have to find the distance of the boundary. It means the perimeter of this triangular field and the perimeter of this square field, that together will give you the length of the fence. So the total length we will get by adding the perimeter of this triangle and the perimeter of this square. Now here, to find the area of this triangle perimeter of this triangle OAB, what we do, OA plus OB plus AB, that gives the perimeter of triangle OAB. So OA is given to us, that is 200 meter. OB is also 200 meter. So to find the perimeter, we will require AB. So how will you find AB? AB we will find by using the Pythagoras theorem. So that the square of the 200 plus square of the 200 is equal to AB square. So AB square, that is equal to square of 200 plus square of 200. And if you solve this and take the square root of both the sides, you will get AB is equal to, that will be square root of 200 square plus square root of 200 square. So that will be 200 root 2 meter or centimeter, whatever it may be. So it will be AB is equal to 200 root 2 meter. So this you have got 200 root 2 meter. Now here the total perimeter of this triangle OAB and the hockey court, that is OEDC. Here the perimeter of triangle OAB, that will be 200 plus 200 plus 200 root 3, that is 400 plus 200 root 2. So 400 plus 200 root 2 plus, here the perimeter of this square is what? It will be 4 into 100 root 2. 4 into 100 root 2. So that will be 400 root 2. 400 root 2. So this 400 root 2 plus 200 root 2, that will be 600 root 2. So that is 400 plus 600 root 2. So if you solve this further, you will get it as 200 as a common factor inside the bracket 2 plus 3 root 2 meter, and therefore the total length of the boundary is 200 into bracket 2 plus 3 root 2 close the bracket meter. So here the fourth option will be the correct option, that is 200 into bracket 2 plus 3 root 3 close the bracket meters. Now let us move to the next question. If the cost of fencing is rupees 12 per meter, then the total cost of fencing is? Simple question. We know that the total perimeter of this javelin range and the total length of this hockey court boundary that we have calculated. So the total length we have already calculated in the previous question, and we have to find the cost of fencing at rupees 12 per meter. I hope you can do this, calculate this and give me the answer through the comment box. So solve this friends and write your answers in the comment box. So friends, here I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.